The text looks boring when it's all in the same case. I use Canva every day for my design project, and changing text capitalization makes my designs pop. Let me share with you how to make your text stand out by changing its capitalization in Canva. This simple trick will give your designs a fresh look. First, you need to add text to your design. On the left side of your Canva screen, you will see the text tool. You can pick from the three text types: headings, subheadings, and body text. Each type serves a different purpose in your design. Click and drag your chosen text type onto your canvas. You can add all three types if you want: a heading for your main title, a subheading for extra information, and body text for the details. Put them where you want them on your canvas. When you first type your text, Canva uses regular capitalization. This means only the first word starts with a capital letter. But you can change this. Look for the uppercase option in the toolbar above your design. One click on this button transforms your text from lowercase to uppercase, or the other way around. I've learned that changing capitalization can totally change how your designs feels. All caps can make your message bold and loud, perfect for attention-grabbing headlines. Lowercase can give your design a modern, casual vibe. You can also mix different causes to create contrast and guide your reader's eyes to important parts of your design. Now you know how to change text capitalization in Canva. Open Canva and try it yourself. Start with something simple, like a social media post. Add some text and experiment with different capitalization styles. You will be surprised on how this small change can transform your design. So, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel to get more Canva tutorials.